So we are continuing the halachot of Pesach, of the Seder, and we are at the Barech, which is the Birkat Hamazon. So number one is that at that point we're going to be pouring the third cup and having the third cup in front of us during Birkat Hamazon and drinking the third cup after Birkat Hamazon. It's a good idea to hold on to the cup, each person, while they're doing the Birkat Hamazon. There's specifically no leaning during Birkat Hamazon, because at that point we are speaking to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and thanking Hashem for our food, etc. And we're not leaning, acting like kings in front of the king. We have to act like subject in front of the king. After the third cup, there's no drinking in between cups 3 and 4. And when it comes to cup number 4, ideally, if you can, to also finish cup 4 before Chatzot, which is at 1:20 a.m. And the reason is because the fourth cup has to go with the Hallel, which is the Hallel was said over the Korban Pesach, and therefore it's a connection to Korban Pesach. And just like the Afikoman we mentioned is instead of the Korban Pesach, and therefore, because we don't have the Korban Pesach, so therefore we have to do that before 1:20, before Chatzot. So to the Hallel, ideally, in the fourth cup should be before Chatzot. If Rav Ovadia Yosef says, therefore, if you don't do the fourth cup before Chatzot, then the bracha after the Hallel should not be said. So because the Hallel has to do with the Korban Pesach, so that's just a caveat for that situation. And Rav Ovadia Yosef does write the word chayav, obligated, to continue to learn and to read and to discuss Pesach until you fall asleep. So if you see that you're about to fall asleep, of course you got to do Kriyat Shema Lamita and walk up to your bed. But if you feel that, but it should be, this is the night of speaking about Yetziat Mitzrayim and thanking Kadosh Baruch Hu, praising Kadosh Baruch Hu. So that is all the way, all of your strength. And lastly is that there's many opinions that say that not just the first nights of the Seder, but throughout Pesach, every time we take a bite of matzah, it's a mitzvah. There's some opinions, and therefore to have that in mind, to take advantage. I'm not saying overeat, but that it's kedusha. This is the bread of emunah to bring the kedusha into our lives. Bezrat Hashem. We have mincha tonight at 6:10. Tonight is also bedikat chametz. You should pray arvit prior to bedikat chametz. And the time to do B'dikat Chametz is about Tzet Kochavim, so that should be from 8:15 and onwards. Tomorrow morning is Tanit Bechorot, so we have regular time Shacharit, and then the Siyum tomorrow should be at around this time, so around 7:45. That's what we put in the bulletin. Okay, that's that, and have a great day. Tanit Eliyahu.